Ditch the project chaos and say hello to organized bliss. In just 90 seconds, I'll show you how to wield Notion's project management superpowers, transforming your workflow from frantic to fantastic. First, create a new Notion page specifically for your project. Title it something clear like website redesign or marketing campaign. Now, transform this page into a powerful project tracker by adding a table database. Just type per table and select table inline. Rename the default columns to reflect essential project elements. Think task, status, assignee, due date, and even add a priority column. Customize the status column into a select property and create options like to do, in progress, completed, and block to visually track task progress. For team projects, use the person property in the assignee column to tag team members responsible for each task. Set deadlines using the date property in the due date column. And don't forget to set reminders to stay on top of things. Filter your database to focus on specific tasks. For example, filter by assignee to see what each team member is working on. Switch to a Kanban board view by clicking Add a View and selecting Board. This visually organizes your tasks based on their status. For complex projects, establish relationships between tasks using the relation property. This helps connect subtasks to main project objectives. Boost collaboration by using comments to discuss tasks directly within Notion and mention teammates for quick communication. And there you have it, a streamlined project management system, all within Notion. Unleash your productivity and kiss project chaos goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips.